Hey folks, we're back. I'm going to show you that fireplace I promised. All finished. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Alright, here we are. I'm going to do a quick basket or two and we're going to decorate that fireplace mantelpiece and let you see it all done. What a job just cleaning that. So stay with us, it's not going to take that long. When I think of winter time, I think of deer and pines and lots of snow. So that's our idea here with this basket. Lots of pine cones, little handful of frosty things. Now you know it's not Christmas, so we're going to avoid things that are Christmassy, unfortunately. Okay, liking that. We'll see that in a minute. Next, I want to do this basket for the center of the mantelpiece. And we got to be choosy about the flowers we use because it's not spring and it's not Easter, as you know. So let's usually get away with some peonies and these little budded branches that aren't open yet. Got a lot over here. Okay, we'll go with this frozen frosty fern on the bottom. Get that going in the middle and a little taller. Let's see how that peony works. Really pretty. Again, we're concentrating on the fact that it's winter. So I think these frozen berry branches do us right. Get that background established. Come up a little bit with our feathery tall pieces. And we'll need some white. Just a couple of poppies. Some snowy, frosty pieces. Fit them in. I gotta have that in there. Who doesn't love a couple of good Western sugar cones? from those giant trees out there. Look at the size of this beautiful thing. I'm liking those berries, something for the deer to eat. Why leave it in the box, right? Okay, now we're good. We're gonna move over and see what I got done. So as you know, I cleaned this all up, cleaned the lanterns, put the second coat on the fireplace, gave the lions a bath. They're still smiling over it. Here's our little brass bucket with the cones and the florals. Real basic. Won't be a ton to pick up or clean up. That'll be a break, right? Woo! After Christmas. Now I like to, you probably see this anyway, but I like to put a couple on the mantle like they fell out. You know, it's more realistic. See what that does. Okay, then what else? What else can we do? Well, most of the country, a lot of places, there's still winter. So we got our frozen trees. I like to put two together, if you can, especially different heights. You've heard me say it. And we got our wonderful white deer. And I think as long as we don't have a sleigh or anything red, we don't look Christmassy. We just look wintry. I was going to put some more milk glass out, but I think the theme here really is the deer. And this is a fun after Christmas look, folks, obviously, and it's good for at least a month, you know, with what's going on. So, hey, let me take you and we'll show you all around. Okay guys, I hope you liked part 2 of our fireplace renovation and decor, winter decor. If you liked it, I'll hear about it in the comments. Give us a like, a share, and we care about all our subscribers. Thanks guys for coming over. And you can follow us on Instagram. And you can be here in the morning, so we'll take you to the extravaganza with us. Hot on the hunt for those antique deals. And we'll see you in the next winter video.